So you were asked to read the project prompt and cut out your program, the living room, kitchen, dining, and all that space, as well as all of your exterior amenities, garage, pool, courtyard, and such. And I even gave you a template with these cutout pieces on there, so you should have just taken that, and if you printed it in the correct scale, you could have just traced it right off. Okay, but you have all these pieces, which is all the parts that you need to create a basic house. Let's just get these guys out of the way for now and concentrate on this thing. And you were also supposed to create or cut out a plate that represents your site with your setback laid upon it. Okay, but for now, let's look at this thing as a generic house. Okay, so in a generic house, it's usually organized by groupings. That grouping just happens to be what adjacency is. So we have garage, kitchen, dining, laundry, powder, office, and a bunch of bedrooms here, as well as your closets and also your bathrooms. Now, if you think about it, these specific spaces support some of the other spaces, such as living room, or I'm sorry, the kitchen goes together with the dining room. You do not want those apart. You don't want one room way off in the other side of the house, because kitchen is where you prepare the food and the dining room is where you serve the food and perhaps eat the food, right? So these two must have direct adjacency to each other. So whatever food that you prep in here, you should be able to take it right out into the dining room. As well, this might serve a little bit more as a common space. So the living room also is a common space. So these three grouping of rooms are typically set kind of next to each other, right? So those will form your first group as your adjacency. Okay. So that's that. And then let's see, bedrooms. So some of these bedrooms and its support stuff, such as closet, master bath, and master closet, they probably need to be with the master bedroom group. We have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and we have closets for those guys, so those should be right next to each other, right? And then the bathroom should support both of these guys, so they should be right next to each other. So if we want to take this in as a group, we might set this right next to each other like so, and maybe put the put it something like that, and that this closet 2 will serve bedroom 2, closet 1 will serve bedroom 1. And that means that the bathroom needs to be somewhere close by, or it needs to be maybe across a hall or something like that if there's a hallway across here, right? So this might make another group. Another way that we might look at it is that maybe we put the closet on that side and then maybe put the bathroom between them, so that we have a situation where we could, if we had a hallway on this side, we could enter through to the bedroom, bathroom, and the bedroom through here, and still have access to each of the individual closets. Okay, this will allow for opportunity to make a Jack and Jill bath, which is a door on this side between the bathroom and bedroom 1, and door on this side, which is bedroom 2 and bathroom. I'm not sure if there's enough room to exactly do that. There might be a way, but Jack and Jill bathroom I kind of find very hard to use anyway. Well, what I mean is that when person in bedroom 2, let's say, wants to use a bathroom and locks the adjacent door to bedroom 1, bedroom 2 person occupant forgets that they locked it and goes outside, goes out of the room, and then the bedroom one person wants to go to the bathroom and finds out it's locked, so can't get in. So what do, right? So usually in a typical Jack and Jill bathroom, there's a door between the bathroom and the bedrooms, and then there's there might be a door to the hallway corridor. But if that's the case, why not just get rid of the two adjacent bedroom door to the bathroom and just enter through the hallway? Okay. We have a laundry room and powder room as well. An office. Office could be almost anywhere. What that means is that we could, if it is a private office for a writer, it might go to right next to the bedroom or something, because you get up in the morning and you just want to work on your book or whatever, your famous novel. Or it might be out more towards the public if it was a office for, let's say, an accountant that entertains or has clients over. Now the powder room probably should be somewhere next to the living room, not necessarily directly adjacent to the dining room, but somewhere near the living room, because this bathroom is mainly for guests, because we don't want the guest of your house to come in and go into maybe the kids' room, because that might be a mess, who knows. Or we don't want them to go into the master bedroom, because they'll have to go through the master bedroom to get there. And you don't want your guests to go through the private rooms of your house. The laundry, it might be next to the kitchen, next to somewhere in the public, or next to garage or something. Or in more of the modern days, we might put it next to all of the bedroom, because that's basically where you disrobe and put in the laundry hamper, so you don't have to travel all the way to farther away to do your laundry. You're doing your laundry right where you're making a mess anyway. Okay, so that's your basic grouping of your program.